Imagine a world where beauty meets convenience at Wigs or Wigs on YouTube. Enter our realm of braided wigs, intricately designed for black women. Battling hair loss or alopecia, we've got you covered. Our wigs are not just a cover-up, they're a style statement. Easy to manage, affordable, and time-saving compared to traditional braiding. So why wait? Dive into a world of effortless style. We ship worldwide from Kenya to African countries, USA, Italy, Germany, UK, etc. Visit our website globalshana.co.ke, drop us a WhatsApp message +2547716082252, or tune into our YouTube channel at Wigs for more. Embrace the beauty of braids, embrace the beauty of you.